Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Next Level. So, I hope I'm audible to you guys. So, kindly confirm my audio is clear for you. Then we can start the session. So, kindly confirm my audio, please. Very good evening. I'm just checking your my audio is fine. Then we can start the session. Am I audible, guys? Clear. Thank you. Thank you. Sure. Okay, so let's start the session. Coming to the point, what's going wrong in the current edtech platform? So, with my experience of 14 years in this coaching industry and 5 years exclusively in these edtech companies, uh, platforms, and I have observed many things. I Many of you people don't know some inside facts. Today, not pointing a specific people or specific company, I want to clear you some facts. So those facts I want to say you analyze yourself. Don't think I'm giving some points to you, but use them as a base points and analyze and you understand whether they are correct or not. So if everybody is ready, we can start. So just one moment. Right. Thank you. Thank you. So shall we start? Okay. So kindly confirm, kindly inform to your friends that we are live. So share this link to many of your friends so that everybody will join the live. And those who are on the live, so kindly please like this session. And also after the completion of the session, please comment so that it will be visible for more and more number of students. And up to now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. So let's start the session. So we are going to launch in this session GATE 26-27 batches. And I'll be introducing some revolutionary changes in the existing edtech conditions, existing online preparation, whatever the drawbacks we have. Let me address them first, then I will be explaining you how I am going to solve them. So believe in me, guys, please stay up to the end of the session. I will be definitely giving you some eye opener facts and also I will be showing you a proper solutions for them. And also I will explain why till now people are not able to do that and how we are different compared to existing. And also I will be introducing our team, the team I'm able to collaborate, and that team will be the best team. And once I announce that, you will be definitely getting surprised. Okay, so let's start the session. Okay, so let me ask you one genuine question. What's going wrong with the current edtech platform? So currently what's going on? Suppose you might be already gone through some coaching system in the online or various classes, whether it is free or paid. If you have some experience, yeah, you can also comment from your side what's currently going on wrong with the edtech platforms. Okay, it can be stability, it can be whatever may be what's in your mind. And with my experience, now I will expose them. Now I will also show you my point of view. And again, I'm saying I'm not pointing to any single person or single company here. This is what's happening in the market. I want to show that. It's not pointing out to any individual or any particular company, particular platform for sure. Okay. So let's start. So let me show my problems. I'll be reading your comments and definitely, yeah, thank you. I'll be answering all your questions at the end. So if you have any kind of queries, feel free to comment it on the comment section. I'm happy to help you guys. So let's start. Don't waste the time. So what's going on wrong with the current edtech companies? So currently, whatever the edtech companies are present, they are all, are they going in the right way or are they going in the something wrong is going on such that it's not really helping the students or it's making some sort of problem for the students career, that I want to discuss now. So let me show you a few things, guys. Right from entering, everything is manipulated, you accept it or not. They will announce a lot, you have a lot of they have a lot of money to spend on marketing. They will be giving you some what we call eye-catching ads. Celebrities will come, they will ask you to join their platform, on this platform, even they don't know what's happening. Right from your entry, so they will manipulate you in a different ways. They will attract you, their phone calls, telemarketing, digital marketing. Once you enter into their platform, once you download their what we call app, then your number is ready, your data is ready. For getting your data, they will conduct you scholarship test, they will conduct you free test series, they will give you free access. N number of ways they will attract you, catch you, and somehow they will get the data and they will start calling you again and again. This is how you will be entering into the edtech platform. Okay. And one thing, while entering, you ask, for example, great example I am giving you. Currently, most of the edtech platforms, they are not having any classes in English. But you call to any edtech platform, I challenge you, you ask, sir, classes are available in English. Then definitely those people will say that, yeah, classes are available in English. They are in English. You English people are able to understand. But once you join, you face the difficulties. I have seen many students who joined with that and facing difficulties. Later, if you ask those people, there is no single person accountable for you. Whom will you ask? If you go for a biggest edtech platform, join there. After joining, you will realize, okay, the classes are not going in the way we expected. Okay, what to do? There is no option for you. You cannot ask anybody. There is no person you can question here. This is for sure. At least in offline, you go to the front desk, you ask the manager, you ask the teachers, sir, this is wrong happening. What can I do? Here you ask, who will be asking? This is there is no accountability. The way you are entering the tech platforms is definitely manipulated for sure. You ask anything, they will promise you, because they don't the people don't know what's happening inside. Also, the telecalling team is completely different, and the teachers will be different, management will be different, all of them not having any synchronization. This is what's happening. You agree or not? Just tell me. This is one point. The second thing, I'm sorry to say this, you take any edtech platform currently, at least for EC and electrical engineering, there is no proper team in any edtech company for sure. I'm sure. You just compare. They don't have, earlier, if you take any edtech company, they have 20 educators for one single branch and a very big poster. Now you see the poster will contain one people, two people, hardly three people. And some of five people, they will make a poster. In that, one or two people will be from the mathematics or common subjects. They will keep it and make a bundle. So either one person is teaching there or two good teachers are there, and remaining all somehow they are managing. This is what's happening in the current edtech platforms. This I have been observing for past few years. I don't want to comment on a specific platform, but in a generalized way, I have that freedom. I am expressing my views. Okay, I'm not pointing to one platform, but you see, any edtech platform you take currently, can you say, sir, this is the edtech platform, it is having a proper team, sir, this teacher is teaching this particular subject, this kind of best team is available here. That was there earlier. Now, no. Definitely no, because they are in a trouble. They have the cost cutting issues. I have seen personally. That's why I'm saying. So they don't have the budget for educators to hire. They have a budget for influencers. They have the budget to spend on marketing. Whichever gives immediate results, they have money. They have the money to spend on immediate results. Immediately, if you launch one educator, they will be getting lots of boost and lot of admissions. They are ready for any much amount of budget. Or immediately, if you bring one celebrity and make some marketing video, they will get some lot of buzz that might be attracting some students immediately. In the long term, doesn't matter. In that case, they have the budget. They don't have the budget to pay for the educators. So that's why currently no edtech platform is having a proper team. Okay. So this is one more disadvantage. And another disadvantage, this is a very biggest fault, biggest flaw in the what we call edtech system. Earlier, in the coaching industry, maybe I will take some more time. I'm expressing my views with all the experience, somehow with some sort of pain also. I have seen this system. I have seen this kind of people, this kind of what we call ecosystem from long time. I thought of speaking. I used to say this is wrong, but nobody used to listen to me. I don't have that rights. Now here, this is my own platform. I can say anything out of my heart. So I'm दिल खोल के बात कर रहा हूँ आज. So आप लोग please listen to me. I have seen this is what's happened. There is anyone can teach any subject. How is it possible? Yeah. Can you currently? I know one EC faculty teaching promised joined in one night tech company promising I will be teaching electrical machines. Is it possible? Those people who are recruiting, they don't know what is the degree required to teach EC subject, what is the degree required to teach the electrical subjects, all those things they don't know. You have this much experience, okay, join. While recruiting in the any tech company, they never work, they never think about what are the subjects this guy is teaching. He is a good teacher, okay, he can teach any subject. So I can say I have 14 years of experience. I am very good at networks and digital. I can also teach analog. I can also teach signals, but I cannot teach in the best possible way. As a student, I know those subjects. As a student, I am able to learn the subject. I know how to solve the questions in that subject, but I don't know, genuinely speaking, how to teach those subjects in the way I teach my network and I teach my digital. So you can see here, if you take some good institutes offline, if you take the top institutes in the gate industry, I don't want to name anyone, there will be a specific teacher for a specific subject, because this gate industry or gate kind of coaching requires compulsory experts. Suppose I want to teach networks, it is doesn't matter I know networks or not, that is important, that is not only important. If that is the case, tomorrow you crack the gate rank, you can teach any subject because you know every subject. So that is not the case. The ultimate aim of teaching, the ultimate theme of the teaching is we should be able to deliver every single topic in a way my student is able to understand. This is not happening because once you enter into a tech platform, one person is teaching 5 subjects, 6 subjects, entire competition is going on, then everybody they need to teach other subjects also. If you teach 1, 2 subjects, you will be in insecurity, you will be in insecurity, automatically you start teaching other subjects also. I have seen some people who teachers coming to this platform because this is the starting fundamental subject, they will teach network digital, anybody can teach it. See, anybody can learn it, anybody cannot teach it, man. Teaching means I need to give the concept in a way my student is able to understand in a proper way. So if I am able to understand, that is not sufficient. I should be able to make you understand. I should be able to take it to the depth of the subject, and yes, this is what we need to learn in this subject. Reading 4 slides, because on online, what is the advantage? Every content is properly prepared. I can just take a slide, I explain it. It is very easy. Anybody can teach any subject. This is what's happening. In EdTech, there is no rule. You should teach your subjects only. Anybody can enter into any subject. Suppose I have started network analysis working in one particular platform. I got some good fame recognition because I am teaching the best for the networks. Immediately, the other person sees that, okay, this fellow, they don't worry about what he is teaching. They worry about, yes, this subject is having good demand. I will also start teaching. So I have seen many people after coming to the EdTech platform in their life, first time they started experimenting teaching those subjects. So like that, you see any EdTech platform, there is a any teacher can teach any subject. So do you justify these things? So tell me, guys. You may all these points I mentioned are valid or not. Just comment on the comment section. This is what's happening. In this way, if they teach you, okay, out of the 100 in any place, even nobody teaches also, if you take 100 people, 10 people will definitely get the rank. That's what happening in any industry. They are taking thousands of students, hundreds of students. Not everybody is getting ranking. 10 people are getting ranking. 1% of the people are getting ranking. Yes, that is sufficient to fill this board with posters. That is sufficient such that next year students, yes, these people are getting the ranks, means they are teaching the best and we can join it. This is what's happening. So I want to read your comments, guys. Okay. Just 1 minute. Tarun is asking what happened with the exam. I am working with exam those. So this discussion is out of that. Okay. I am working with that. Okay. This discussion is a generalized discussion. So don't take one particular name. I am working there. I will be taking the classes there also. Ankit sir is very good friend for me now, earlier also. Okay, we don't have any issues. That is not here. The discussion is completely different. Not about one particular platform. I am generalized way. I am explaining. You tell me these things are happening or not. Okay, kindly don't tag this to one issue. I don't want to. I don't agree in that. Okay, I don't want to take that. I don't want to blame any single person. That never happens. Okay. Thank you, Arvind Gandhi. Thank you. Okay. So shall we proceed, guys? I just want to ask you whatever the valid points. So your entry is getting manipulated, guys. There is no proper team, but they will say yes, every educator is with us, and any single teacher can teach any subject. So what any teacher can teach any subject means what? Just ask him how many times you taught this subject. Means they are coming to the platform, reading the book, teaching. That is what's happening in the teaching. So if you are last year ranker, you can teach this year. This is what's happening. So let me explain you the difference here. Let me explain you with the difference here. Okay. So in the edtech platform, what's happening is there is no expertized teaching. There is no expertized teaching. If you are a ranker, if you get a good rank in the gate, then they feel that you can teach any subject. I am saying that you can learn any subject, you cannot teach any subject. Believe in me. Exceptions are possible. 1-2 persons are exceptional. They might be able to teach, deliver every subject. They are exceptional. They will be 1 or 2, not everyone. But everybody is trying this. You see, teachers are writing the GATE exam every single year. They want to prove they are the rankers. Why you are trying to prove it yourself as a ranker man? You prove yourself as a good teacher. Every year I will write the GATE exam, I will get top 10. Yes, I say this is my GATE rank. Then the score will increase. Other students will be facing difficulty because of them. Because they are in a loop such that if I am a good ranker, student will see my rank. Even I don't teach well, then also it's fine, because the student will suppose to think in this way. Yeah, he is a very good ranker. He is teaching the best because he knows the subject. He is the top 10 ranker in the GATE exam, or top 100 ranker in the GATE exam, means he knows the subject. He is teaching the best. I am not able to understand. This kind of mindset will be developed once you express your rank and every credential. That is the reason people will write the GATE exam 10 times, 20 times after their graduation is completed, after they settle also. Okay, because they don't know how to teach properly. You should impress your student by your teaching. Teach your subject, show what is there in the subject, make the students to sustain your class, make the students to learn from your class, make the students to understand the subject and make themselves develop the interest. So a good teacher should be able to do this, not just bringing for problems, solving it. If I solve a big problem, I'm a good teacher. No, I might be a ranker. I may not be a teacher. Okay, so right, I'm sorry. Okay, so who knows the subject will be a ranker. Okay, who makes you to know the subject, who knows how to deliver the subject. Suppose if I take a network analysis, in the initial days I worked a lot. If I take a one particular topic, I used to think overnight, okay, how to deliver this topic such that my student will not face any difficulty. As a student, I might face difficulty in this topic, but my student should not face the difficulty. Yes, transient is there, this is a difficult topic. How can I make it more simple such that student will be able to understand? So what kind of basics I can give for that? So this kind of thinking will be there for the expertise teaching. Okay, then if you are a ranker, you have studied something, you have that material, dump it with 4 5 slides, your lecture is finished. Okay, there are no limit for number of subjects. If you are a ranker, you can teach any subject is the mindset. If you teach all the subjects, you feel yourself great. That nothing great, because how receiving end is important, not the delivering end. But here, you see, if he is a expertized teacher, you see any 10, 12 years experienced teacher. For example, I will say one of my best friend, Kamesh sir is there. He might be in a different platform, but he is my friend. I want you ask him. He teaches analog and EDC to the best. He is expertized in that. I can challenge you. If you take the way he analyzed the problem, we have a lot of discussions earlier also. If he is expertized in those two subjects, if you ask him to teach the third subject, you give him any good amount of money also, he don't accept. He will understand. He will say that I cannot justify in the way I am teaching these two subjects. If they are related to that, later over a period of time, develop and teach. This kind of mindset will be there. If you are expertized in a subject, I am expertized with network and digital, I am comfortable. It doesn't mean that I'm able to learn currently machine learning, I'm able to work with IoT. Why can't I learn simple communications, basic signals and system and teach you? That doesn't mean the teaching. That is just understanding and delivering. Teaching is something different. That is what I feel personally. That's why even you take anybody, once you study from me, you will remember me for lifetime, feeling that yes, the way he delivers the subject is different. That happens with the expertise teaching. Okay, you don't know all these facts. Simply, you will see 1%, 2%. You feel there is a big brand behind the company, then you will be joining it. Okay, so I'm not, again, I'm saying 1, 2% exceptional skills will be there. Those are different, but I'm saying holistic way, generalized way. Okay, so this fellow, if you see an expert in the teaching, you should have a team for every 2, 3 subjects in the total course. If you have what we call electrical engineering with 12 to 14 subjects, you should have 6 to 7 faculty. So expertization is possible in 2, 3 subjects. If you go for the research areas can be hardly few, not every field. The same way, if expertized teacher is available, he will be expertized with maximum 3 to 4 subjects. Okay, you have that proverb, jack of all, master of none. Here we need masters, not jacks. Okay, so come here. So expertise teaching, what is the difference? He knows how to register the toughest topic in your mind easiest way. He may give good examples, lively examples. This is the way you need to remember things. So those kind of things will be happening here. Okay. So there is will be strategy behind every single topic. You see, you attend one topic, not directly, they don't go to the topic. Those particular teachers, before starting the topic, they will give some introduction. They might be connecting to some external world. Okay, you are learning two-port networks. How two-port networks will be helpful in your real world life? What are the basic necessaries for understanding two-port networks? Then we study the formulas. This is the way. There will be strategy, understanding about each and every topic they will be teaching. So this is what you should know. Don't see the profile of any person and decide, yes, he is a ranker, he is a topper, or he is some PSU cracker, whatever may be. Don't see that, and seeing and joining doesn't give you the result. This is where you should analyze the subject. Okay, and different students will have different taste. You should understand that also. Some people might like me personally for networks. Some people might like another teacher for networks. Okay, so it depends on different tastes also. You should understand what kind of teaching you are requiring, because in this way also there will be some people who will be succeeding. They are already toppers. If you are learning from the zero level, this teaching will not help you. If you want to learn from the zero level, this teaching will be helpful for you guys. This is for sure. Okay, this is for sure. Believe in me. Believe in me. So let's start revealing our team. So these kind of problems I am addressing because I want to give you the solution in a way these problems should not be happening. Now I want to reveal my team. In our team, you'll be seeing experts, not only rankers. Definitely our team are me. We also got the gate rank. We also enter into IITs, but not only the rankers, not like one person teaching 10 subjects. We are different in a way that we have a proper team. Today, I'm collaborating with some people. I will be revealing that. Okay. So, in any case, my thought process will not change. My thought process is in that way, I should give expertise teaching to my students, and not in a manipulated way. Not in a manipulated way. I need to show you the proper team, promise it until end of your examination. You take it to any edtech platform, there is no guarantee that you are joining today by seeing one teacher face, he will be present or not. But this is not happens in these platforms, in our platforms. Okay, understand? So let me reveal that. I hope you can guess. Okay, perfect. Ranker knows how to succeed, teacher knows how to make others succeed. That is what I want to say exactly. Okay, so let me reveal the any guesses, guys. I hope I have already revealed that. Okay, any guesses? Let me check for your response. Any other guesses? Okay, let me reveal that. You can see. So this is our team, guys. I'm going to reveal my team. I am able to make collaboration with Om Institute. They are the team of expertise with the electrical and EC engineering with at least a decade plus experience. Now I will be introducing each and every team member. I am able to make this collaboration such that, because as I told, I am not a person who will be teaching every subject, who is having what we call, who is having a belief in teaching every single subject. So what I thought is, I confine myself to my 2 subjects. Even I can teach signals, even I can teach analog, I don't want to teach them. I want to teach my two subjects of networks and digital where I am expertise, where I can make my student to score 100%. Okay, so those two subjects I will be teaching, and further remaining subjects I made a collaboration with the Home Institute. Why Home Institute? Why not any other institute? Means in the past 2 years, I worked with various peoples. There are I have very good friends in every what we call every educator. I have a very good rapport, and I understood, guys. Here I am not criticizing any educator, any single educator. I am criticizing the system, existing system, not any educator, because I am very friendly with every single educator. Even I left some company also, those people will talk to me. I have that kind of friendly relation. But see here, okay, with all my, I have seen, I got two, three good options. Then I have checked what they are doing, what they are teaching. Then they say, uh, this person will teach three subjects. Then this person, if required, I will teach four, five subject also. If required, then I stop. No, I can't collaborate with you. If required, if you add the subject means you are experimenting with the student life. So those kind of teams I don't want to collaborate. So that's why because I taught with them, I taught there and I have seen their team. I have interacted with the students. I have seen, yes, these are the this kind of teaching quality I need to give to my students. See, from last 2 years, I can start this English batches, but I have never started because without quality, I cannot do it. If I do some false promise, because this is my base, this is where I have got every single facility today. I'm enjoying is from 14 years of what you have given. For you people, I cannot do something wrong. Even if you, some people will say that even we give the best to students will not take it seriously these days. That doesn't matter for me. From my side, I want to give the best. I want to give the best, and I am giving you the best. So please understand, this collaboration is not happened in a single day. After analyzing many teams, I have taken this decision and I approached them. Then they have also responded. They have taken their time. They have done their analysis and responded positively. And I worked there in their particular office, their particular location. Then, yes, I understood. Yes, they deserve it. Students deserve them. Students should know about them. This is what I thought. And we made the collaboration. Okay. So let me reveal the total team. Anyway, you people know me. I will be dealing your networks and digital. So I don't want to discuss much about my profile because you people knows me very well. Still, this is my profile. I did my masters from IIT Kharagpur and also doing my PhD in Triple IT Hyderabad. And I'm expertise with the subjects of network digital. Okay. And 14 years of teaching experience I had, and I taught to several students like you people in this 14 years. You can contact me anytime to my contact number if it is visible on the screen. Otherwise, I'll give it at the last. So let's move for the total team. That is important. You can see here. So actually, I thought of asking any of these team members, but they have their alternate, they are engaged with some other work, so they are not able to join. Still, let me reveal here. So you can see Surendra sir, MTech from IIT Bombay, and 13 years of expertise in teaching in GATE, ESC, PSU. So 30, and he also worked as a field engineer in a GE company. Okay, he's also having the practical experience with the company and also teaching experience. Okay, so this is what about his profile, and you can see here how many subjects he is teaching. Only one subject, electrical machines. So if a person teaches 13 years the same subject, see, believe in me, I teach network digital from 14 years. Offline, I used to teach many batches. Okay. Every day I used to be in the class. So every time I teach, I used to learn something. Okay, this problem I can solve in this way. So next time I used to give that shortcut. And sometimes I enlighten myself. Okay, this is what there in this particular, this topic can be related to that particular topic. So these kind of links can be found. This kind of expertization is possible if you teach few subjects. So this is that kind of team. So he is expertised with electrical machines. If you want to learn electrical machines, if you have already taken coaching from different peoples and not satisfied, see what happens is in the classroom you will satisfy. Any teacher can teach you best such that you are satisfied in the classroom, but you should be satisfied in the examination hall, not in the classroom. In the examination hall, while attempting the exam, yes, this teacher has given me the best. Yeah, I'm able to do it. This kind of feedback you should get it in the examination hall. That kind of team is available with us. So let me reveal our next faculty. So Giri sir, he is having 14 years of teaching experience and he is MTech from IIT Kanpur and he is expertised with the subject of power systems. So I will be revealing EC subjects also. You can see the strongest core team for electrical engineering is with us. They are collaborating with us and the teaching will be completely in the English. I know how many times you requested me, sir, when the English batches will start. At various platforms, I tried to the highest possible level. The top management also I discussed. They said they don't have the proper budget, they don't have the proper team, they don't have the proper time to do this. But I'm able to make it for you guys. I'm able to make it for you the best possible English team. Already they are doing the best, and now with the collaboration, we are going to give you the best, no doubt in it. Okay, so he's the experience expertised with power systems, and you can see he got the rank one and in APC PDCL, and also 111 in the gate, 112 in the gate 2007. So they are also the rankers, but experts, not only rankers, they are experts in the subjects. Okay, so let's move further. So, and another one, BNNS Shankar sir. So he is also MTech from IIT Kharagpur with 15 years of teaching experience. So quite senior to me also. Okay. He will be teaching you the power electronics and control systems. So he also worked with some technologist in GE company in the Hyderabad, and he's exclusively. So these are the teachers who taught you from the basics. He will be teaching you from the roots, not just like because EdTech platform is present, I will become a teacher. Today, there is a demand for control system. Today, control system teacher is not available. I will start control system. It is not that kind of teaching. It is not that kind of teaching. Taking two, three favorite subjects and teaching. This kind of team is available here, guys. So how it is possible here, how it is not possible in any EdTech company, I can say they own it here. I own my next level. I will be whatever I want, I can do. Here, similarly, Home Institute, they own it. Every single teacher there, they are the partners. They have made it. Okay, so they own it. That's why what happens, they can take the decisions. Their decision is not depending on the investors or somebody else. They can take their own decisions. Okay, so let's move further, guys. So the next one, Gautam sir, he will be teaching you the analog circuits, VLSI, EDC, and networks. Anyway, I'll be teaching networks, but his expertise subjects. You can see he's BTech from Triple IT Hyderabad. That is where I'm doing my PhD. I know the quality there, and also he's done his MTech in VLSI specifically from IIT Madras. So he can guide you the best for your VLSI approach. Anyway, we will also be helping you, and you can see he is having 10 years of experience, decade plus experience in the GATE and ESC, and also he worked as an analog design engineer in the Qualcomm, and he is also a ranker. He got Air 18, but he's not teaching every subject here also. Okay, you understand? Because there is no demand, no need here. We have the proper team. We can teach, we can split our work, and we can concentrate to giving you the best. Understand? So he will be giving you the best for EDC and analog. So, Rakesh Tareja sir, I hope you people might know if you are following the online. He is also quite active like us in online platforms. I mean, YouTube and everywhere you can see him. So, he is also the MTech from ME from ISC Bangalore, 13 years of teaching experience, and BTech from NIT Bhopal. And he is also Air 9th rank. You can tell me, guys, can you get the better team than this? I can challenge you today. Show me the better team than this. This is what kind of team I want to bring. That is the reason it was delayed this much to launch this kind of batch. You can see here. Okay. So he will be teaching you the signals and system, and he is expertise with the other subjects also, maths, aptitude, and controls. Okay. So Haman sir, he got his integrated masters from BITS Pilani and 8 years of teaching experience in the GATE and ESC. He also worked as a digital design engineer. I have shown you analog design engineer, digital design engineer here in Sony Ericsson. And also he is Air 5 in the GATE 2000, sorry, ESC and CDS 1. There is some design exam, I think it's in Air 1 and Air 20 in the GATE and state fifth in the AP Transco. So he will be teaching generally digital EMFT. Okay, but in our case, I will be teaching digital and networks anyway for you. So this is the team. I'm able to make it for you guys. So tell me, how is the team? How is your response? Good, Gautam. See, I have seen in the comments, VS sir, Suresh sir, Vishal Soni sir, Kamesh sir, Ankit sir, all of them are very good friends of me, and they are also very good teachers, no doubt in it. But everybody have their own preferences. They have their way of teaching. They have their commitments. Okay, I cannot bring everybody here. They may not be aligned with my thoughts. I may not be aligned with their thoughts. We should respect each other mutually, undoubtedly. But they are some of the good people I worked, and I have a very good relation with them. They are like personally related to me, no doubt in it. And okay, right? So I have given you the team of experts for every single subject. So what else is stopping you guys? Share this video with many of your students and tell this is what's happening in the gate industry. And now the revolution is started. Now the revolution is started. What you people are expecting, what you people are waiting for, that is going to happen now. Okay. So let's start about the detailed schedule. What's going to, how this launch is going to happen. You will be you need to access our app that is going to under construction website for network and digital, and Home Institute Android app will be there and website will be there. I'll be giving you the login details once you are subscribed. That is a different thing. How the classes will be. If you are a job goer, if you are a college goer also, there will not be any issue. You have the sessions generally in the morning or evening, 1.5 to 2 hours. So in a day, generally two subjects can happen maximum, sometimes maybe three subjects depending on the demand, and your syllabus will be completed by December for 26 batches. If you are a 27 batch, anyway I am there guys, just you can start your journey slowly, and I will be guiding you. I have many other things, many other surprises for you. Just I have introduced the team. I am bringing one revolution here. Okay, team rather than a person. Okay, expertise teaching, not with a simple rank, right? So expertise teaching is coming for you, team is coming for you, and now listen here. Change in the teaching methodology. I want to bring some changes in the teaching methodology. It is not like, yes, student has joined, I am teaching one way, we are completing the syllabus, test series is completed, our responsibility is finished. No, there are some students who are facing the issues. I am answerable for them. I need to answer them. I need to take care of them. They are my children. They are my children. I need to take care of them. I need to ask what's happening, what's wrong with you, why you are not preparing, why your learning curve decreased, why your number of hours of watching is not going in a proper shape. Is there anything wrong personally? If I give that 5 minutes of time, that can change a big, great change in their life. So that time I'm going to give that kind of teaching, that kind of changes I want to bring other than the conventional teaching. So one thing is the team. Now let us see. So this is how the classes will be going on, guys. So regarding networks and digital, I'll be taking off. I'm taking a break for 2 weeks. I'm going to Australia for vacation, and I'll be back. Meanwhile, I'll be keep updating you. Once I'm back on June 2nd, I'll be in the first week, I'll be launching network and digital for you. So other than that, this is what you will be getting in our next level, which you don't get anywhere else challengingly. Subject-wise courses will be available for network and digital. For other subjects, I need to ask the home institute people according to their rules and regulations. We can go ahead because some students asked me, sir, can we take one subject, two subject? Why I'm bringing subject-wise course? Importance of the subject-wise course. Suppose you started journey of the GATE coaching, but you are not enjoying the coaching. You felt that this coaching is not for me. What to do? In that case, if you are not very confident, you have not taken your decision yet, take subscription of Network Digital, complete it. If you have time, if you are a 27 aspirants, take Network Digital, prepare properly, write the examinations, you got the confidence, proceed to the next step. Not getting confidence, leave it here itself, go for other options. That option is available with us. Take the subject wise coaching. So you need not waste your 2 years, 3 years, then realize GATE exam is not for me. Take 2 months, 3 months, sort it out. Yes, this is not for me. What else? Next, you can see free test series. It will be anyway available with other platforms also. I should not say that it is available with us only, but free test series will be there for all subscriber students in the platform. And currently what's happened is, because 20 for 26 as 27 everything will be live, no doubt in it. For 26 aspirants, what happens is, because we are already in the mid May, the season has started. If you start now the new batch, we cannot finish the syllabus, so I don't want to make you the false promise. You need to watch maths in the recorded. Okay, For ECE student, remaining all subjects will be definitely on live. For ECE students, other than math, you can watch every subject in live and you can watch them anytime in your free time in the recorded format. That is for sure. Okay. For electrical people, for machines, okay, not completely machines. One I can say. Just a moment. Machines has four parts. Maybe the first part of the machines is completed and remaining that you can watch in recorded, remaining you can watch the live. And currently power electronics has been started. You can continue with the live with that. Remaining all subjects will be the live. Okay. And see here, I want to bring other than this, the new changes is like this. For the recorded subjects you are accessing, doubt sessions will be available. Okay. Our website and app are under construction, guys. Okay. Other than this, I want to bring some changes. I will be, suppose I'll group every 50 or 100 numbers of students maximum to one bundle. And for those people, I will allocate a dedicated doubt solving educator who will be taking every week the classes such that if you have doubts, suppose sometimes what happens when teacher is teaching, you may not be able to have the freedom of expression or you are reading in the, watching in the recording. Then Sunday time, I will take, I'll give you some people to solve your doubts. Sunday time, I'll be giving you some people for solving your doubts and for recorded classes also. Okay, so how we are different here, you can understand. You have the team of experts. Yes, we have personalized guidance I can provide you. Sir, what sort of personalized guidance you want to give you, sir? Yeah, let me speak about this. This is not there with anybody else, that I can assure you. For every student join here, I will monitor personally every single week. I will monitor you what you are doing every single week. I will be taking a Zoom call session after every week. I will be taking a Zoom call session. You need to join and you should report what you have studied in this week. I will be giving you the timetable. I will be giving you the monthly target, weekly target. You need to finish it off. So I can do the best for this for 27 batch aspirants for sure because you have ample amount of time. Still for 26 also I will be providing you. And this personalized guidance, you may study from other platforms also. If you want to take my personal guidance, that will also I can provide you, so that I will launch in the June first week. So weekly target I will provide, monthly target I will provide you a timetable. This week you study these subjects. So you are lagging in something, I will find some solution. Sir, this particular topic I am not comfortable, sir. I will bring some doubt solving educator. I will assign to you and I will ask him to teach you whatever the doubts you are facing. So these kind of facilities I want to bring in the teaching. So that is what I want to say, personalized teaching, not teaching to a crowd. I want to see every my single student what's going on. Are they going properly or not? And I want to make one particular bundle such that VLSA, say I want to design, I'm designing the course once the networks is started. We will be launching for VLSA embedded also. So basics part is common for GATE, common for VLSI. Once the basic is completed, student is having the freedom to take the decision, enter into VLSI part or enter into GATE industry, GATE preparation. Or if the student is already ready, he can take dedicatedly the GATE itself. So these kind of changes I want to bring such that your preparation of 1 year, 2 years should not go waste. Your preparation of 1 year, after 1 year, 2 years preparation, you realize, I should take some other course. That should not happen for you. Your career is my importance. Your career is my priority. So it is my responsibility. I will be taking care of every individual. This is what my promise for you guys. So weekly target, I will provide you timetable and Zoom call personally. I will be giving you. See, my guidance, once you join with next level, my guidance is not just for up to the next gate exam. After gate exam, if you ask me, who are you? I don't say that. My guidance will be until you settle. Until you settle what kind of help you need, I'm happy to do that. I'm happy to do that. We are happy to do that. I'm not, again, I'm saying all these personally next level side I'm giving you. I'm giving you personally from the next level. Okay. So specific doubt sessions need based. So this topic we have the difficulty. I can bring some doubt solving educator, separate team will be there for that, not a regular educator. Separate people will be helping you with the doubts. Okay. I have a very good contacts with many other teachers, many rankers who can help you with the doubts. So this is one example of kind of Google Sheet I will be giving, like I have done for earlier for my students also. I will give every day I'll give today, this is the target. Once you finish, you need to tick mark. If you have not done, I'll ask you in the week so that you will be accountable for me and I will be accountable for you. Okay. So these are the fee structures, guys, for 2026. If you want to take the subscription, it is for 12 months. It will be 19,999, no other GST, etc. You need not pay anything else. As I told you earlier, Gate coaching already in the best possible price. In that, I am not bringing any changes. VLSI embedded in these cases, I will bring at least 80% better prices for sure. Okay, if you want to take for 27 subscription, definitely this is the right time. If you take 27, I can guide you the best such that you will be placed best when you are in the college itself. So this is the fee for you people, 28,999. If you have any kind of queries, I'm always open for you guys. You can WhatsApp me or you can call me anytime. 9705861166. Our platforms are under construction still. If you want to start before network starts now itself, if you want to start with your math, yes, you can start. I can help you. So now itself you can join and you can start your preparation for the math. That can happen in the Home Institute app, and our app will be live from within a week or 10 days. So some designs are going to happen. After that, network digital will start. We can continue in our platform. So if you have any kind of queries, feel free to approach me. You will be having data. Once you join for the subscribed student, dedicatedly WhatsApp group, dedicated Telegram channel, everything will be there, and personalized monitoring for sure with expertise teaching. Okay. So you can contact us, you can scan this and join the Telegram channel. You can message me anytime through my WhatsApp number. And if you have not subscribed yet, okay, you understand, guys, the genuine way I want to help you. Yes, I'm not doing any completely. I don't say that I'm running an NGO, I'm doing a charity for you, nothing. I'm also running a platform, a business, everything. But I want to do it with ethics. I want to genuinely help my students. My students have given a lot of things for me. I want to return to them in a proper, sincere way. It's not like promising many and not accept, not what we call implementing one or two also. This is my attitude right from beginning. Who worked with me, you can ask anybody, they will say the same thing. Okay. So with this, I want to end this session, but kindly share this initiative with many of your friends. If any of your brother, sister, or your juniors, anybody want to prepare for the GATE preparation, you can join with next level. It will be definitely different compared to what's happening in the current tech industry. And also, guys, the complete teaching will be in the English. You can be from, if you're comfortable with English, happily join. And it will not be a very high level English, very basic English will be discussed for sure. Okay. And again, one small disclaimer, this particular video is not to hurt any single person or single company. As a whole system, I want to address. I've seen some problems with the whole system from many years. I'm observing. I'm not able to give my voice. Okay, so now I got an opportunity to tell you, yeah, this is going wrong. This should not happen. That I want to tell from many days. Okay, so that I want to deliver it to have delivered. Okay, thank you, Shivam. Even I I love Kamesh sir. I told you earlier also, but he's already associated with some platform. He's having some limitation to teach on other platforms. Same I told regarding Vishal sir, Ankit sir, Suresh VSR sir, my best friend. Okay, all of them are very good teachers, no doubt in it, but they have their own platforms. Okay, their thought process will be different. My thought process will be different. Okay, even though we are friends, we are also, everybody have their own way of teaching. Everybody have their own way of watching the things. Some people might think, okay, we should not give everything to a student like a spoon feeding. They should learn. That is also correct. Some people might think, Arey, yaar, if I don't give this, my student should stuck. That is also correct. So I cannot say this opinion is correct or that particular opinion. I just expressed my opinion. And yes, though I cannot bring everybody you are asking to the platform. Okay. But this platform is open for anyone. If you have an idea, if you have the similar thought process to help the students, any kind of association, we are always happy to help. Even for CSC also, we are thinking, if some people with this kind of thought process are available for CSC, yes, we can collaborate. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nani. Okay, CDS. Okay, combined defend exam. Sorry. Thank you, Nevant. Thank you very much. All the very best, guys. See you soon with the new batches. And you, if you, with this, might be I will be getting some gap in this live kind of sessions for 1 2 weeks. June 2nd, I will be back to the India. Then we can start more sessions. Meanwhile, my shorts will be there. I will be giving you information about myself. I will be interacting with you. And also, if you have any kind of need, any kind of, you can comment on the video session. And I want to know your response, your how you felt about this video, how you felt about this initiative. Kindly comment on it. Okay, thank you all. See you. Good night.